Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of HowLogical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Delta gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and in the web address bar at the top, type in www.delta.com/redeem. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Right under Delta gift cards, you'll be able to see two boxes displayed on the screen. Go ahead and enter your gift card number in the text box. Make sure to type it in correct and then type in a PIN number or your redemption code in the next field. After you're done, click on the lookup button right next to it, and on the next page you'll need to enter your credentials for your Delta account in order to log into it first. Simply log into it and you'll be able to redeem your Delta gift cards quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.